Today we're going to use a V-ZUG combi steamer to cook an amazing steamed menu. We have a pink snapper, some bok choy and rice. Everything cooked in the one cooking space in just 30 minutes. We're going to set ourselves reminders to put it in stages. Equal parts rice and water. We're going to put in the rice first, level 3. We select steam for 30 minutes. And we set ourselves a reminder in 10 minutes to put in the fish and press start. Cooking wine, sesame oil. Blend it up again. That's my reminder to put the snapper in. And now we're going to set ourselves a reminder in 14 minutes to put in the bok choy. Time for the bok choy to go in. And we're going to put that on level 3 next to the rice. Steaming is very healthy and practical. You can cook the food in the same dishes as you later take to the dinner table. So your food stays hot longer and you only do half the dishes when you're washing up. Okay, all the food is ready and hot. Bringing out the fish first. We turn on the cooktop and just give it a dash of hot oil over the top of it to develop the flavors even further.